Hi, we're at the Eyeheight stand. We've got Simon Pegg with us, who's going to talk to us about their new product called TV Tweetcaster, telling us what it can do and also give us a little bit of a show around on what else they've got on their stand. So, Simon, what have we got here then?
Okay, so TV Tweetcaster is a complete integrated solution for bringing Twitter very easily, visibly into your video programs. So we have a Twitter data miner which connects to the Twitter sphere, effectively. Based on search criteria or a particular user, it will pull down any tweets that relate to that, and it presents those in the operator console. The operator can then review all of those messages, and any messages that they want to take to air, they can select, and they'll drop straight into this outbox. As soon as they drop in the outbox, the integrated automation system kicks in. You'll see it brings up graphics, and it starts formatting those tweets and sending them to screen straight away. Once it's finished displaying all the tweets that are in my outbox, it will then drop that graphic back off air. So it's a very, very simple way of integrating stuff. You can take the box, install the software, plug them together, and away you go.
And the operator has control of the formatting that it comes up onto the screen.
Absolutely, yes. So we have another tool that comes with this called Netcrawler, which is software that allows you to lay out these graphics elements, define all the fonts that you want to use, all the colors that you want to use, and then TV Tweetcaster uses that as a template to then build these in real time for you.
Fantastic. Well, we're miraculously going to transport ourselves to another area of their stand. We're going to have a look at some of their other products. So by the miracle of television, we're now in a different area of the Eyeheight stand, and Simon's going to go through some of the other products that they're showing this year at IBC.
Okay, so one of the big focuses for us this year is in stereoscopic 3D stuff as well. This really span out of work we were doing with people like Cinesight, who do a lot of the 3D for Sky. So they came to us and said, look, we have to legalise this content. The problem is at the moment we're doing stuff in dual link for stereoscopic. We have to set both legalizers to be the same. That's a real pain. We want to do color correction. Again, we have to make sure those color correctors are running identically in tune. So what we've done is we've produced a 3D legalizer and a 3D color corrector that are effectively a stereoscopic legalizer and color corrector. So they're two channels with one integrated control system. So they look like one unit, but they're actually doing two separate feeds for you. It's our standard legalizer capability, so it's RGB composite legalization, color correction for gain, gamut, lots of stuff with a unique color control panel, and it's all stereoscopic. It's all in one card, but it's running two channels simultaneously. And then on the back of that, we've also spun out a 3D logo inserter. So you can see here, this is some 3D footage that's going through a color corrector and a legalizer, and we're also then inserting stereoscopic 3D logos on top of it as well. Again, it's a two-channel device. You load left and right eye into each channel and bring your logos on air, and it behaves like a single unit. So another big focus for us this year is on our Calm Audio RT loudness control. So this is an Eyeheight developed real-time hardware solution for processing embedded audio, taking a discrete surround audio matrix, calculating the loudness on that based on the ITUR BS1770 and the EBU R128 loudness algorithms, controlling that loudness to keep it within a specified maximum, and also simultaneously doing true peak processing based on 8 times oversampling on every audio channel there and limiting those peaks as well. So basically you can dial in a particular loudness that you want, minus 18 LUFS, minus 23 LUFS as a limit. You can dial in a limit for the PPM value, so maybe like PPM 6, run your audio through it and it will come out the other end. It won't exceed that short-term loudness, and it won't exceed that PPM limit as well.
Fantastic. And if people want to find out more information about these products and the TV Tweetcaster, I'm assuming they can go to your website, which
Absolutely. will be? Eyeheight.com. It's nice and easy, EYEHEIGHT.com.
Simon, thank you very much. If you want to keep track on what's going here on IBC, you can follow us at TV Bay. Everything is going to be on the broadcastshow.com website, so keep an eye on that. Make sure you subscribe to all the feeds.